A 90-day Mistplay test is only useful if you track your actual playtime, units earned, and the rewards you can redeem instead of relying on a promised payout figure. By the end, you'll know exactly what to measure over 90 days and how to decide whether Mistplay is worth continuing for you. Start by recording your Mistplay balance before you begin the test. Then choose the games you genuinely want to play and launch them through Mistplay. Keep a simple record of each game, the time you spend playing, and the units you earn. This matters because Mistplay's available games, offers, earning rates, and rewards can vary by account, location, device, and time. That also means there is no reliable universal claim that every user will earn a specific dollar amount in 90 days. Your own account data is more useful than a fixed payout estimate. For the first 30 days, focus on tracking. Check whether your gameplay is being recognized and whether your units are increasing. If a particular game stops tracking, troubleshoot it before spending additional hours on it. Mistplay provides troubleshooting guidance for situations where games are not earning units or GXP. Tracking problems can affect the value of your entire test because time spent on untracked gameplay does not give you the results you expected. From days 31 through 60, compare games against each other. Look at how much time each game requires and how much progress or reward value you receive from that time. If one game takes significantly longer to produce the same type of reward, you can stop prioritizing it. Do not choose games based only on their advertised reward potential. Check what your Mistplay account actually shows and whether the game is available and tracking correctly. During days 61 through 90, focus on redemption. Check the rewards currently available to you and identify which ones you would realistically use. Your units only have practical value if you can exchange them for a reward you actually want. Then calculate your effective return. Take the value of the reward you can redeem and compare it with the total number of hours you spent playing. This gives you your personal value per hour instead of an invented average. After 90 days, make the decision based on 3 things. Did you enjoy the games? Did your gameplay track consistently? And were the available rewards useful to you? If the answer to all 3 is yes, Mistplay may be worth keeping as a way to earn rewards from games you already enjoy. If you spent significant time chasing rewards you did not want, or repeatedly dealt with tracking problems, the app may not be worth continuing. So the honest 90-day verdict is personal. Mistplay can be useful for the right player, but your account results matter more than anyone else's payout claim. Your next step is to record your starting balance and total playtime today, then compare those numbers with your redeemable rewards after 90 days. If this helped with your Mistplay review, like the video and subscribe for more honest app tests and troubleshooting guides.